How to contact Popmart customer service. In this video, I will guide you on how to contact Popmart customer service. First of all, open up any web browser. Now search for Popmart. From the search results, click on popmart.com. Now log into your account by entering your credentials. Once you have been logged in, next to My Account, you will find this headphone icon. Click on that. Once you do, you will be connected with a customer service agent. Now on this chat box, you can simply enter your issue or queries. Another way is to scroll all the way down. At the bottom, you will find the section of Contact Us. The first option is Chat with Us. Once you click on this, the same chat box will open up. Here you can enter your questions or issues. Then the customer service agent will be able to solve your issue from here. Another option is email. You can simply click on the Email Us option. Now you can use this for returns, replacements, or general order inquiries if you bought from popmart.com. Now you want to compose an email describing your issue. You also want to enter your full name and order number. If you want, you can also attach the photos of the damaged packaging or any error message from the site. Then you want to send this message. Popmart's customer service will typically reply within 24 to 48 hours during business days. And in this way, you can contact the Popmart customer service. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.